guys, we've been in Sri Lanka the last 4 weeks and we've been trying all their amazing food. We thought we gotta make a video of this because if you leave not trying some of this food, you would have missed out.
So we're currently standing in the Yara Galle Fort, and this is a brand new hotel. It's just opened and we are actually gonna go into the kitchen with the Yara Galle Fort chef.
He's gonna cook a traditional breakfast for us. So let's cut to the kitchen.
I was gonna say, so let's feast. Chef Tushara, welcome to the vlog. What are we cooking today, chef?
Today I make a traditional Sri Lankan breakfast.
Okay.
First you want to drink kolakan.
Okay.
First.
Yeah.
After milk rice.
Milk rice.
Milk rice.
Yes.
Coconut sambal.
Coconut sambal.
Yes. String hoppers.
String hoppers.
Dahl curry.
Oh, dahl.
Potato curry. Fish curry.
Oh, amazing.
Yes.
So we're gonna go and cook now. We actually get to watch the chef cook. I mean, guys, in fact, have you ever seen true Sri Lankan food like cooked right in front of you on this channel? Give us a like if you like it. Let's get cooking.
Guys, we just finished cooking breakfast with the chef. It looks amazing. We cannot wait to show you. And now, obviously, it's time to eat. So let's do it. Are you ready for this?
Yes, totally ready. Oh my God, the smells, you guys.
You don't wanna talk, but there's a battle in my heart and no thoughts keep on running wild. Is it possible you sleep with someone else between your sheets, and is she laying on my side? If you look in those eyes, baby, do they make you lose gravity? Like you would hold on for so long looking at me.
So guys, I mean, look at this food.
They even provide you with a hat, look. How cool is that?
Okay, so what we got on our plates, bro?
You take the soup first and you have it with the jaggery, which is actually an English name, but I've never heard of it, so...
No. And it's basically coconut and the treacle from the coconut.
Yes.
But, oh, first this.
Okay, so we first drink. It tastes so good. And it's supposed to be really, really healthy for you.
Yeah.
They have this in the morning. It's a little bit of rice in the bottom, so it gives you that bit of texture.
Yeah.
Loving it. So guys, we're debating whether or not we should be eating with our hands or not. Theodora is not a big fan of it. She likes to use knife and fork.
You know I'm not good.
But I'm with the chef. We need to do it with the hands because you can mix it, right?
Yes.
You can mix it and
It's good.
yeah, it's nice, right?
Yeah.
And you're not allowed to lick your fingers, right?
No, it's okay. You can.
It's okay? But
It's not allowed, yeah.
Yeah, really, you shouldn't be licking your fingers. We were told in one of the comments in the other videos that it was rude, so we apologise.
The curry should touch only these two finger area.
Oh, okay.
You cannot go above here.
We're all clued up now, babe.
So, are you using your fingers or not?
No.
So guys, we're starting with the milk rice.
Okay.
Guys, all the Sri Lankan people there, the hands, not above here. Okay guys, I'm gonna go for a whole big bit of spice.
You can taste a little bit of that dried fish as well in there, can't you?
It's not overly spicy.
I can totally handle it.
I was gonna lick my fingers then. So guys, these are string hoppers. They're so good. It's basically made with rice, and they squeeze it through this press, and it comes out like these stringy things. Like looks like noodles really. So we're gonna do the coconut sambal with the string hoppers. So guys, you wanna go with your hands and you wanna kind of mix it in like this. Really mix it in. Really feel it between the fingers. And then you wanna get a little bit of everything. A little bit of the dahl, a little bit of the fish curry sauce. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Look at that. I mean, oh. So good. Oh, it's so fresh.
It is so good, you guys.
The flavours, the coconut, the spices, the onion, and it tastes even better when you eat with your hands, honestly. Hands down.
Hands down.
Get it? Guys, you've got to come for Sri Lanka just for the food alone.
But you know, I think of you.
So guys, Graham is still eating, but I wanted to share with you why I love this place so much, because when we first walked in here, I just loved all the decor. And then we got speaking to the manager, and he explained that all the bits that they imported are actually from Europe. They're actually from Holland. Like, they're still waiting for some stuff that's stuck in customs, but they imported all the Delft's blauw, so the Dutch blue, like the pots and the pans and the accessories. And when you walk through the hotel, you see the Dutch lace and the blue, the Delft's blauw, and loads of little things like that. So I love what they've done with this place, and once it's totally finished, it's just going to be a beautiful place. You can already tell, can't you? Don't you think? But it's quite nice because we've been 4 months on like away from home now, so these little touches from home and like the fact that it's all from Holland and very recognizable just gives me a warm feeling inside.
I'm glad it gives you a warm feeling inside.
What gives you a warm feeling inside?
The sambal. Guys, I'm done. Oh,
We literally cleared the plates.
so much food.
Oh my gosh.
It's actually nearly lunchtime. Guys, why can't I look what's on my fingers? Why can't I lick this?
No, you got a wash bowl.
It's such a waste. So guys, that was breakfast. Proper traditional breakfast.
Yep.
I don't think you can get much more Sri Lankan than that.
No. In fact, if you enjoyed this part of the vlog, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys, because there's more to come.
Anyway, let's go. It's kolakanda. 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 And then you have this sweet.
Jaggery.
Was it?
Jaggery.
Yaga.
Jaggery. Jaggery.
Yeah?
Jaggery.
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 Jaggery. I'm saying it all wrong, but it's fine. And it's
You guys say it.
Jaggery. Jaggery.
it's awesome.